As an office assistant working with the Swan Creek National Wildlife Refuge, you prepare a document publicizing summer day camps at the refuge. Your supervisor provided a few paragraphs that you modify, creating an article for distribution to schools in the area. You also use a template to create an event planner. Because you plan to use the office computer for future projects as well, you explore ways to customize Word for ease of use. Save a blank document so that as you type or insert text, you can simply click Save on the Quick Access toolbar to save updates to the document. You might find occasion to insert text from a previously saved file into a blank document. In this case, your supervisor at the refuge created and saved a rough draft of an article promoting summer camps. You insert text from her document into the new blank document that you have opened and saved. Inserting text can be a time saver, enabling you to reuse and modify existing text. Selections on the Quick Access toolbar, including Save, provide one-click access to common commands. The File tab includes general options related to the open document. The Close option closes the current document but leaves Word open. When you begin a new document, you can choose to create a blank document, or you can select from various templates. A template is a pre-designed document that can simplify the task of creating or writing. Having identified a template appropriate for a task, you can modify the wording to suit your purpose. Having created and saved an event planner, you close the document. Because the refuge article was recently saved, you find it in the Recent list. Non-printing characters display when you click Show Hide. Those characters represent such keystrokes as Enter, Space, and Tab. Showing non-printing characters enables you to troubleshoot a document, perhaps confirming that a problem with text positioning is caused by the presence of hard returns. Because you can see non-printing characters, you can also delete them if necessary. When you insert a hard return by pressing Enter, you create a new paragraph. Word defines a paragraph as any line that ends in a hard return. Press Delete to remove space or characters at the right of the insertion point. Press Enter to insert a hard return and create a new paragraph. As you type a paragraph, the first letter is automatically capitalized, even if you begin the paragraph with a lowercase letter. Press Ctrl-End to move to the end of the document. Because non-printing characters are displayed, you press Delete to remove the hard return, or blank paragraph, at the end of the document. By default, Word identifies possible spelling and grammatical errors, underlining spelling errors in red and grammatical or word usage errors in blue. Even so, you should always proofread a document yourself to locate errors Word might have missed. Right-click an underlined word to display a shortcut menu of possible corrections. The Review tab includes a spelling and grammar selection that will check the entire document, pausing at each error so that you can select from a list of possible corrections or manually correct an error yourself. Word's Review tab includes a Smart Lookup option to view resources such as images, definitions, and other references for a selected word. Use Word's Thesaurus tool to identify a synonym for a selected word. In this case, you insert the word absorbed, replacing the word immersed. As a document is changed, it is important to save it periodically. Word options enable you to customize Word to suit your preferences. By selecting from various categories on the left of the Word Options dialog box, you can modify settings to better reflect the way you work on documents. Word options that you select, such as adjusting the time that lapses between automatic saves, are in effect for all Word documents that you create, not just the currently open document. Word enables you to add, remove, and even rename ribbon tabs. Deselect a tab that you want to remove from the ribbon. Rename a tab to reflect your preference. If not in a lab setting, you can click Save to accept the new tab name. In this case, we choose not to adjust the new tab name. By default, the Quick Access toolbar includes one-click access to the Save, Undo, and Redo commands. You can customize the Quick Access toolbar to include even more commands, such as creating a new blank document and checking spelling. Also place a command on the Quick Access toolbar when you right-click a ribbon command and then choose an Add option on the shortcut menu. Similarly, remove a command from the Quick Access toolbar by right-clicking a command on the Quick Access toolbar and then choosing from a shortcut menu. Save the document frequently. You created and saved a document, simplifying the task of creating a document by inserting text from an existing document. Using a template, you quickly created and saved an event planner for ease of organizing tasks. As you moved through the first document, you learned to insert and delete text, and you learned the value of displaying non-printing characters when proofreading and adjusting text within a document. Using Word's spelling and grammar feature, you checked the document for errors, and you identified a definition and alternate wording for a selected word. Finally, you explored various ways to customize Word to suit your preferences.